There is a reality men don't want to face. Women don't respect every man. They respect a specific kind of man. And if you are not that man, you will be tolerated, entertained, perhaps taken advantage of, but never respected. The kind of man who commands respect doesn't ask for it. He doesn't raise his voice just to demand it. He becomes an illusion of respect. Many men believe respect is earned by buying her gifts and messaging her constantly and showcasing how different they are. That's not respect. That's supplication. When you overgive, overestimate, or overprove, you show your value is negotiable. And nothing kills attraction quicker than a man who negotiates his value. Now let us get started. 1. The man who can walk away. A woman feels dependency like blood in water. The man who can walk away at any moment is the one who keeps her chasing because his attention isn't guaranteed. His accessibility is earned. Stoic bar. The man who needs nothing is the guy nobody can control. 2. The man who prioritizes objective before woman. Your objective is oxygen. Her approval is smoke. Choose wrong and you suffocate. The men women get attracted to aren't the ones orbiting them. They are the ones orbiting something greater. Objectives, skill, and discipline. A man who bows before his vision never bows before a woman. Stoic bar. To control yourself is to control the world. 3. The man who is unmoved. If a woman tests you, creates drama, or pulls away, you don't react since you have no control over her moods. You can only control how you respond. That peaceful indifference is what makes her nuts. Stoic bar. A man who controls his emotions controls desire itself. 4. The man who lives in scarcity. You are not available to everybody. Your time is very scarce. Your approval is costly. Your presence is precious since it is not given out like candy. Scarcity creates desire. And a rare man is always the respected guy. So why do women only respect this kind of man? Because he doesn't chase. He lives with discipline.